Evening. Welcome to the journey. Welcome to KNL. This is our start of a moment that we don't know where it's going to end, but we are on the path with you guys to see where it takes us because, as you guys know, we do anything and everything, and we here to show you. I'm L. That's K. Welcome. Good night, yo. We're gonna start off. We have an amplifier here. I'll show you guys amplifier. One of this ICs is loose on this IC board, so we're gonna solder together. Sorry, my bad. Soldering iron and the solder. As we go along, you guys, we'll show you guys what this is a Targa amplifier. So Targa amplifier, there's a sentimental value in this amplifier has been playing very loud. It's been doing things Bluetooth or 515s I had previously in. Tomorrow, hopefully, we'll show you guys the project that we are currently busy with. It's a Mark 1 Golf. And if you guys are wondering where we from nowhere, somewhere, everywhere. We might be in your backyard. Sorry guys, I'm the talker, he's the doer. The thing you guys will see as this channel progresses and goes along, you'll see the special things the two of us do. Later on the stage, you'll see the specialty of Kai. Kai is a very technical guy, you'll see. And I'm again a out of the box type of person. Like tonight, we decided to start this YouTube channel in a blink of a thought because there's a video on my phone that I have that will hopefully soon in the near future there will be an Instagram page that will be there. It will be pinned to my thing, to our page, KNL trademark. For this now it's industries, but it's actually anything and everything. So yeah, before I forget, I should actually, sorry guys, for now the videos will be uncut and stuff and editing, but hopefully with time we'll get better. We just thought, why must we delay the start? So yeah, well, I'm just gonna put the soldering iron on so that we can get home. Okay, so recently I've been doing, we did the motor of my car. It's a 1.6 life as they claim. Not my car, our car, KNL Industries. TM, don't forget that. But okay, so we did the motor, center blocking because cylinder 2's piston made a reach in cylinder 2 because apparently it got too hot. We also, I don't know, I'm also on this journey to learn more because I'm very interested. I've ever love or passion for cars. I don't know. It just recently woke up again in me when I had the opportunity to fix my car. Not my car, our car. Sorry, it will get better with time. But yeah, so we had the opportunity to build the motor with a mechanic and put it in everything together. But now the car started, it drove everything, but a new problem arose. They say most the first try is not always the best try, but as long as you tried. But okay, this afternoon when I got home, I tried to swing the car. Yesterday, yesterday I did the timing on the car, on the distributor, and on the flywheel. Turned the motor. I thought maybe the timing was out because I wasn't at home the previous week, but when I had the chance yesterday, I went home. But this morning, when I got home again, I thought, okay, wait, no, I'm gonna try to look what's the problem because it's Father's Day. For those who's going to see this video in South Africa, it's Father's Day. Good day, Father's Day to all the fathers. So go ahead, blessed Father's Day, and spend some time with your children, and such on and such on and such on. But okay, nevertheless, as I swing the car, there came a funny sound by my relays, as you can see. I don't know. Sorry guys, the quality is not the best. It's not the best, but it will be the best sooner than later. But okay. Here's one of the relays. To be honest to you guys, I don't know which relays these are as of yet, as we speak now. Tomorrow morning, if everything goes as planned, I'm going to go get these two relays. So maybe I show you the journey, maybe I don't. We'll see how the day and the night evening goes. But okay, I'm still waiting for the soldering iron to get home. Sorry for all the yapping, that's just me. Okay, you have anything to say? Never mind us, we're just playing a game pool. Move your pitches. We're playing a game pool. And if you want, I'm not gonna say the game, we might be anywhere and everywhere in your backyard or maybe next door. So yeah. So peace out, Tobin. Okay. It seems like the soldering iron is hot enough, so let's go. So I was going to take off this old soldering here from the. Seems like the inputs come in. We'll find out as we go. This thing is hot enough. This thing is taking a bit long to warm up, so I'll be back. Finally, soldering iron decided to become warm, so Fuzzy. Quickly taking off the old soldering, I'm using the backplate of the amplifier. I don't have the facilities at the moment. I'm making best of what I have, so here we go. So finally, I got managed to get off the old soldering. This connector plug that connects to the IC port of this amplifier. So now I'm gonna reattach it where it belongs. Let's see how it goes. Like, Michael, I'm gonna need your assistance here, please. Guys, sorry for all the pauses in between and things. With time, our editing will become better. So just be with us. So finally, me and Kai managed to get the soldering on the IC of the M so that we can connect the back onto it. So now we're gonna put on the soldering at the back of the two points that connects into the IC port of this amplifier. Also, steady and see. And a bit closer. This cord is not long enough, but okay. Here we go. It's not my first time soldering, but yet not my best. I'm not as good as I would like to be, but here we go. Druk dengan susah nih. Kosong nih. Okay, so here we go. Managed to solder on the input. As you can see, it's tightened. We're just waiting it to get cold to cool down a bit so that we can fit it back into where it's supposed to be. Guys, so this is the first part of the video. Tomorrow we're gonna show you guys the beauty that we are busy with. Me and Kai, and introduce to you our first project that we taking on. So until then, till tomorrow. Morning. This is the part I promised you guys last night. I'll show you the project that we're currently busy with. Here's our 1.6 life. Here we go. Early mornings. They say the early bird catches the biggest worm. We're on our way now to Masterpass to hopefully find those 2 relays that's needed. See sunroof on en wat, dak aan en wat. Here we go, 1.6 life. We'll figure out as we go together what was done to the car. The car was bought in Pretoria, but the car needs an introduction of its own for when we have time when we come back. Kay is here. Say morning, Kay. Open the damn gate. Yes, Kay. Kay come with a work truck this morning. We'll promote the work truck very soon. But on our way to Master Parts, what's so was Zipira. Hi, good day. We now came back from Master Parts. We were sitting there for almost 2 hours. They never opened, but fortunately for us, Sky was open here on the main road across Sweet Connection or whatever that sweet place name is. But thank you for them, for the assistance. We got the relay. Yeah, post the relay. We're going to fit it now to see. Hopefully this solves the problem to make it start again. And welcome to the inside of the car. So relay was fitted. So Kai is gonna, hopefully now this will be the start of him. Sorry, let's not give it pronouns. Come on. The battery's pop. Aye. Fortunately, guys, we changed the relay, but still there's no spark. So for now, we're gonna cut the video off here. And hopefully the next video, this beast of ours will be starting and driving. And we'll take you guys on a POV first drive. But until then, from KNL, we out.